Hello and welcome back to CodeHarbor, where we explore all things related to coding and software development. Today's video is going to be a solution of Leetcode's problem of the day: maximum number of vowels in a substring of given length. This is a great problem to practice string manipulations and algorithmic thinking. So let's dive right in and solve this problem. So we are given a string s and an integer k. Now we have to create substring of this string s with the length of k, and we have to find maximum number of vowels in each substring. So if our s is equal to a b c d e f g, then and our k is equal to 2, then we have to create substring of two elements, two characters. So it will be ab, then bc, then cd, and so on. And later on we have to find the maximum number of vowels in any of the string. So right now our answer will be 1, because each substring will have only one vowel of a e I o u. So suppose we are having something like a b c e f g. So in this case one of the string substring will be a, so our answer will be 2. So let's now dive right in to code this solution. So first we will define our max vowels is equal to 0, and we will be returning this max vowels. Now let's create a regex for finding the vowels. So it is pretty much simple that we will be having a e I o u. Okay, but we want to check for a single character, so only one value will be allowed. Now it can be a uppercase or a lowercase character, so to ignore the case, let's add a question mark I and convert this to regex, store it to vowel regex. Okay, now we have to iterate our string and find all the substrings possible in for the k length. So we will iterate for in I in 0 until s dot length minus k. Now why I did minus k is because after reaching at certain points we will not be finding a length of this substring. So for an example, ef is all the characters left, so we cannot create a substring of length 3. So we are excluding that thing from it. Now let's create a substring for this. So value sub is equal to s dot substring. Now we want to start our index from I, and we will have a length of k, so our ending position will be I plus k. Let's get a substring without vowels. So sub without vowels is equal to sub dot replace. Now what we want to replace is vowel regex, and we want to replace it with a empty character. Now when we get a length of this, so let's explain this. So if our string is, suppose our string is s is equal to abc iiidef. So for the first iteration our k is equal to 3, and for the first iteration our substring will be abc. So our sub without vowels will be bc. So we get a length of 2 if we get a sub without vowels. Dot length. So this will be 2. Now we can get a length of this sub, which is always k, so we can get k minus sub vowels, and this will give us a value length. So the value of this will be 1 for our current problem, and that is the number of vowel in our particular substring. So we can store this value in our max vowel, but we want to make sure that maximum number is always stored in our max vowels value. So we can take a max of vowels and the length which we currently received. So this is pretty much all about this problem. Now let's run our test cases for this, and we received one compilation error. Okay, we have to write it length, and max vowels, we are doing so much typo. And so here we have our solution to Leetcode problem of the day, finding maximum number of vowels in a substring of given length. We have solved this problem with the use of regex. So don't forget to learn about regex in my next upcoming videos. We hope you found this video helpful in your coding journey. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below. And don't forget to subscribe to CodeHarbor for coding tutorials and problem solutions. See you again next time.